Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we will be making rice tea. Rice tea is an amazingly healthy drink which is currently getting more and more popular amongst youngsters today. All you need to prepare is 150 grams of rice. You can basically use any type of rice you want. So firstly, we need to place the rice into an empty pot and start stir frying it at a high heat. Once the pot is heated up, you may then lower the heat and continue stir frying the rice until it turns golden brown. Do not over fry the rice as it will end up tasting bitter. Here's how it should look like when it's done. Now, to make a cup of rice tea, we'll need only 1 tablespoon of the rice. Pour some hot water over the rice and let it steep for 5 to 15 minutes. The thickness of the taste basically varies by the amount of water we add in. And for the excess, you may store it in an airtight container and place it in a cool area. If you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.